Hey there, Jackie B from Math Hat by Jackie B, and I wanted to give a quick video preview on my newest self-grading quizzes. This one's on solving logarithmic equations. So when you get this, you're going to get a link, and you're going to put the link into your bar. You're going to just click on the link, and it's going to ask, do you want to make a copy of this document? You're going to say, yes, I want to make a copy. Now, you're going to get an additional question. After you make a copy, you're going to see the logarithmic quiz come up, and it's going to say, missing file upload folders. So because the last question on this quiz is extra credit for the students to upload their own work, to show their work for this quiz, Google is going to make a separate folder for those submissions. And that's the folder that's missing. So you just hit restore and it will create that folder for you. So everything here, most everything here is editable. So you want to start with the settings. For the settings, you're probably going to want to change to limit to 1 response per student, and all of this is in the teacher guide. Presentation, I have showing the progress bar so the students see their progress, and here you want to take away the link to submit another response, and that'll come away once you say, I want them to only do 1 submission. If you want to release the grade to the student immediately after each submission, and then you can control what they can see. Can they see what they missed? Can they see the correct answer on the one they missed? And can they see the point values? So I keep all that there, but you could change any or all of it. Again, you could change the name of this, although solving logarithmic equations is what they're doing. You could edit the directions, you could add to it, you could change what it says instead of solve the logarithmic equation shown. The only thing you can't change is you can't edit this picture, but you could, if you wanted to, upload a different picture of a different problem. You would just have to create that. There are drop-down answers. I do this because I want to include every iteration of extraneous answers by themselves, extraneous answers with the correct answer. So drop-down is the easiest way to do that. Multiple choice would take up way too much room. There are 25 questions. The last question, and some are just short answer text, and you can see from the answer key, I make sure that I include, if the answer is -3/4, it includes a space after, 2 spaces after, whatever iteration that they might be able to come up with, even though the directions say no spaces. Then all the way at the bottom, the very last question is extra credit because it's submit work. The reason this is extra credit is because it wouldn't be able to self-grade if this were worth points. It would need you to check to see in that folder whether or not they submitted their work and it was acceptable to you. So it is an extra credit submission of work. Once the students are done, they're going to get a screen that looks like this. Let me bring it over. They're going to get a screen that looks like this. Great job, you're all done. And then they'll be able to view their score. And when they view their score, they'll see something like this. Their scores will be placed right here. So 23 out of 25, and then they can scroll down and see exactly which problems that they missed and what the correct answer to those were. I use this for homeworks. I use it for quizzes if we're in the computer lab, but I really mostly use this for a graded homework. So homework that's going to be worth more than most homeworks because they've had a lot of practice with something. Perfect for remote work. In fact, remote learning and hybrid learning is why I started making these. So ask any questions if you have them. My store is on Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hat by Jackie B. Thanks for watching.